Hey Kids Backers Style Videos, how are we going today? And welcome to another creepy video. Tonight, in this episode, we're going back to the haunted road. Going to the nature trail this time. Let's do it. Alright, we are driving to the nature trail right now, and we will update you guys when we get there. Hey y'all, this is it. The nature trail. Look at that. Bro, look at this place, dude. Yo. Yo. Let's park right over here. Okay, let's get out and see what's going on here. Found the sign right here. Yo. Death awaits you, dude.
Whoa.
Look at that. There's blood splatters all over it.
Crap.
Look at this place, dude. What? Remember when we almost got chased by that thing?
Yeah, we almost did.
Hey, yo, do you hear that?
What is that?
Bro, I hear music. You hear that? Do, 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 do. You hear that? Yo, it's getting closer, dude. Yo, what's that going on over there? Where's that? I legit saw something. Oh, crap, it's getting closer. Crap, go! What the crap is that thing? Oh, yo, I know what that thing is.
Where did that music?
I know what that is. Someone says like that goes on this nature trail right here. Yeah, it's called. Yeah, there's a sign right there, nature trail. There's this entity on the nature trail called. There's this entity on the nature trail called Daisy 24. Yeah, it plays like do 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 do. It plays that song. It's an entity that once the music gets closer, it grabs you and kills you.
I felt like a presence.
Yeah.
Did you feel that?
I saw like a black figure over there, dude.
There was something moving around, and it was like I heard it over on the the one side, and then it was like right over on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what the heck was that, man?
I know, right?
Oh, man, we could lock up the house. God.
Something's about that road or something, dude.
Something's freaky. It's weird. It's like got like all those power lines, but there's all these abandoned houses.
Yeah, there was like stuff going on.
Who put this sign up? That sign wasn't there the last time we went there.
Yeah, like who put this up?
Was it a warning?
Death awaits you.
Look at these. Speaking of us.
Yeah, I know. Hey, y'all, that was crazy. I think because I've heard about this entity before. It's called Daisy 24. I found the entity. It was playing loud music, so should we go back another time to try and uncover more secrets of this new entity we found here? And try to figure out there's gotta be something else behind it and stuff like that. But I want to end off the video right here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later, Hop Taters.